Hey everyone, in this video we are going to look at how to combine multiple images in Google Docs. So instead of your picture floating around separately, you can group them together and they move and resize as one image. So let's do it. So what we need to do, we need to go to drawing. So you can find it if you click on insert, then drawing, new. This is the only way how we can do this. Now, what you can do, you can drag your images here. So you can basically drag them like from your desktop if you want, like this. Or another way, what you can do is that you can click on this image and here you can manually upload them from your computer, your Google Drive. You can use URL, photos, or even if you want, you can go to Google Images and you can search for images you want. So let's say I can type parrot and let's say we can do this guy. I'm gonna click on insert and we have to again do the same process. So you have to go again to image if you want to upload another one. So let's try this one. I'm gonna resize it by dragging the corners and now I can move it where I want. So if I want to make this next to this image, and let's say another image is going to be in the middle underneath them. So I'm gonna go again to images. All right, so this is our third image, insert. Okay, now I'm gonna drag it. I can move it maybe like this, or let's say align it with the first image. And now if I click on save and close, this is going to merge all of those images as a one image. So you can see if I select it, it's like one image. Now I can drag it to resize it. And let's say if you'd like to put this maybe behind the text or wrap it around the text, you can choose from those options. So you have break text, you have behind text. So if I click on behind text, it's going to be behind. And here, if you select fixed position on page, you can move it freely however you want. So I can drag it around the page. If you want to move this to the separate page, you can basically create a new page. I'm gonna select this. We can copy it and you can paste it over here again, and you can remove then the first merged image. You can align it however you want. And if you want to edit some changes later, you can basically click on edit. If you want to add maybe a fourth image, or if you want to remove something, resize. So I can make this smaller. I can make it like this. And this is basically how you can combine multiple images in Google Docs and make them as a one. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.